Hello guys, I hope you all well and welcome back to my new video. Just because I missed some great tricks that I missed to tell you about, so I'm coming back with all the tricks I'm using in daily activity and the tricks that makes my iPhone looks amazing and that helps me a lot too. So without wasting time, let's start with the tricks number 1. It's called Carrierizer. As I said in my first video, the Carrierizer just changed my whole carrier name that you can look at here, the Hathwin. Also you can change up here, so whatever you want to type, a logo, an emoji, your name or whatever, just press enable and respring your board. Next week, Dune. The Dune is a perfect jailbreaking and a dark mode tweaks that will makes your whole things darker. Just because you install the Eclipse X, that doesn't mean you have a fully firmware dark mode in your iPhone. Without Dune, the Eclipse X is just incomplete. So what a Dune doing is notification 3D touch, widget, 3D menus, folder, dock and keyboard and search bar also enabled in dark mode. So you can see my folder are in dark mode, the widgets are also dark mode and the toggles are in the dark mode. Okay, so what Dune is this? Next week is Eclipse Dark mode. Whoever doing the jailbreaking their iPhone in this generation know about the jailbreaking this tweak dark Eclipse mode. So it will basically do whatever is a dark mode theme in your iPhone. So you can also change the application which application you want to run in the dark mode or the stock iOS mode. So next is FingerThat. This is amazing trick that lets your home button use as a fingerprint sensor. Just because look at this, I don't have to press the button to go back to my home, just I have to touch it and go home. And then there's a couple of settings also where you can see the touch, hold, double touch, triple touch and touch and hold. As you can see, I set the touch and hold as a screenshot mode, so when I touch and hold collect the screenshot, and when I double touch I set none, but the hold is lock. As you can see, I touch and hold, then I lock my device. Okay, so let's go to another trick. This GIF any. GIF to any is GIF to animation. Every time you're spraying your device and there is a boring logo of loading the Apple. But these days are gone. Now you can select any GIF as your springboard logo. As you can see, I will spring my device and so logo and it looks really amazing. Okay, so next trick is HomeGesture. We know HomeGesture as well as it sounds. There's a bunch of options. What the HomeGesture doing is enable all gesture that non iPhone X devices. So what you can do is just go to HomeGesture, the HomeGesture, and enable and apply it. Now what you have to do is there's a bunch of options. You can also customize your iPhone the way you want, but it's simply turn your iPhone into iPhone X gesture, just like this. If I have to do it, swipe up to close it. There's a lots of things. Okay, so your iPhone 6, 5, 5s doesn't matter, it will run like an iPhone X. It's also having some options to customize your lock screen, the home screen, yes, the taskbars, everything you can customize with that. But don't forget about the Dune. It also makes your iPhone looks great. Okay, lock animation. As you can see, when I just lock my device, and it will gives a smooth and a fabulous animation. The drop is. So this trick basically do this. You can change up the animation when you locked in it. There's a bunch of options also here: the broken, the fade, blur, light, the flat but dark, rise up, rise down, zoom, super zoom, explode, TV. Where you can choose a different type of animations where you lock your device. The next trick is Movable 12. Movable 12 is basically doing where you can status bar can be customized. I have already customized my status bar. As you can see, the battery icon is the center and the signal strength in the right and the time is in the left. Whatever you want to set, you can go to sort and there's an option left, center, right, hidden and default. Just you have to grab and move. That's it. So the next trick is called the RecordPause. So RecordPause, go and just enable it. It's come from the Russia, and now you have an option to pause your video whenever you just start the video and wanted to pause, but it doesn't work because the Apple doesn't give that option. Now what you have to do is just tap on the clock is running up and the video is paused, and tap back to forward it. Okay. Okay, so the next trick called RepowerX and Repower 12, whatever the name is. Okay, the description is in the name. I don't need to show you what it does because let me show you. Yes, there it is. It will give you some options like slide to power off, slide to reverse, slide to respring, and in the safe mode. So what you have to do, if you want to cancel, just tap it anywhere without any option to cancel it. So next trick is called RepowerX, and the next one is amazing trick that is called Xen HTML. Now you can also customize your lock screen and home screen in a different way with the widget. Now if you want to, there's a layers you can see, and you can add the widget up here. As I said, I set the two widget on my lock screen. Let me show you how it looks. It looks amazing. There's a much better than the stock lock screen. You can see my battery bar is here. There's a August, it's Wednesday, and time and everything. And there's a bunch of things in it. Now you can want to see. Yes, just like this. There's a bunch of options also, and you can also customize your widget too. And with the home screen, yes, you also can the home screen widget. I didn't put anyone, but I have an option to add widgets like this. Okay, but because you have a Xen HTML, you also need a Xeninfo that will enable the actual alarm, battery, event, music, and remember and status bars and system and weather also, because some widget needs to information that is about weather and battery check. So the only ZenHTML will not collect the information about that, so you need to Xeninfo also. All the repos I will give you in the description down below. If you have any query, if you have an option, you can comment me up there. And thank you so much for viewing this video and keep supporting me. Hit the subscribe if you like it. Thank you.